Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Nissan Sentra key battery. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. Next, you'll use this emergency key. Look for a small slot or indentation on the key fob itself, usually near where the emergency key was stored. Insert the tip of the emergency key into this slot. With the emergency key inserted into the slot, gently twist it as if you're turning a screwdriver. You should feel the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Continue to carefully pry them apart until they fully detach. Take care not to use excessive force, as the internal components are delicate. This method ensures a clean opening without scratching your fob. Now that your key fob is open, you'll see the small, round battery inside. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery, which is typically a CR2032 type. Then, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Make sure there are no gaps. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a click, indicating it's fully seated. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.